that little mouse, 'cause I'm an albatross.
Whether it's the winter season or you live in the coldest country, a space heater can be a fast and economical way to warm you up. These heaters are typically well designed, portable, and cost-effective, which keeps you cozy and comfortable both indoors and outdoors. But it is a real challenge to find the perfect one which can serve your purpose appropriately. So based on our research and testing, we have gathered a list of the top 10 best space heaters for today's video, which will give you enough heat so that you can remain toasty. So without any further ado, let's get started. Warm up your body with Tautronics TT-HE001, a space heater that provides amazing portability and superb output power to quickly heat up your room, office, living room, or anywhere you want. With far-reaching 65-degree oscillation, this space heater can disperse the heat efficiently so that the room gets 20% more heat. As a result, you can get adequate heat throughout your whole room. It has an automatic adjusted heating mode that sets the temperature based on your room environment to keep you comfortable and cozy in the winter season. It has built-in overheating and tip-over protection sensors, which provide you a quiet and safe operation experience. Undoubtedly, this compact little tower puts out a decent amount of heat, which is going to be an amazing choice for your room. Feel like an endless summer even during winter season with Dr. Infrared, a portable space heater that is incredibly cost efficient and significantly small while providing quiet operation in your large room. With the 1500 watt power, it features an auto energy saving mode that allows you to set temperature from 50 Fahrenheit to 85 Fahrenheit. In addition, it features a 12-hour automatic shut-off timer, which can save your cost. It will provide you the desired heat with a noise level of 39 decibels, meaning you will experience less sound while covering up to 1000 square feet of your living space. Overall, this heater is ideal for you if your priority is a quiet and quick operation. Keep yourself comfortable throughout the whole year with the GiveBest, a portable electric space heater that comes with a handy design and powerful performance so that you can carry it anywhere you want. With up to 1500 watt of power, it has an adjustable temperature range up to 158 Fahrenheit so that you can quickly heat your room and have proper temperature control. With PTC ceramic heating tech and high-speed fan, this heater can save your electricity bill while covering up to 200 square feet of your room. Overall, this heater comes with amazing portability and plenty of new features, which is an excellent choice if you need proper heat at your office. Wanna enjoy a versatile and stylish heater? Then meet the Pelanis Ceramic Tower, a space heater that comes with a unique design and quick heating feature in order to ensure your desired heat. With reliable ceramic heating technology, it can quickly heat up to 70 Fahrenheit in 3 seconds, so it provides you with a quick heating experience for your bedroom. It offers 3 heating options, including high, low, and eco mode that achieves customized temperature settings with maximized efficiency and warmth. Besides, the eco mode automatically helps energy savings based on your room's ambient temperature. Made of high-quality cool touch flame-resistant material, this heater has overheating and tip-over switch protection so that you and your family can remain safe all the time. In one word, if you want to enjoy quick heating for your room, then this is going to be an amazing choice for you. Get introduced to the amazing TechVilla PTC Ceramic, which comes with a sleek design and innovative features to provide you continuous warmth in chilling weather. With maximum 1500 watt power, it is made of flame retardant materials with multiple safety systems to ensure a safe operation while providing instant and efficient warmth in the winter season. It oscillates up to 65 degrees from side to side, which can distribute warmth effectively to your room. And it features a special eco mode, which will adjust the power automatically based on the room temperature. Meet the Dyson AMO9, a fan heater that is versatile, easy to use, and offers an attractive look which not only quickly heats your room but also complements your room furniture. Engineered with patented air multiplier technology, this heater will create a powerful stream of uninterrupted airflow into your room. With temperature control from 33 to 99 degrees Fahrenheit, you can get your desired temperature in the cold weather. Besides, it has an intelligent thermostat that monitors the temperature accurately to save you energy efficiently. Overall, this heater will provide you with an energy-efficient heating experience that you need for your sweet home. Want to enjoy the ultimate heat in a cold season? Then meet the Lasco Ceramic Heater, which provides brilliant performance at an affordable price range in order to warm your living room quickly. Equipped with an elongated ceramic element and penetrating air velocity, this heater will distribute the warmth in your whole room so effectively that you and your family can remain cozy during utmost winter nights. It features a multifunctional remote which allows you to adjust the heater's temperature, timer, oscillation, and many more, meaning you will be able to control your temperature from your bed with ease. It covers up to 260 square feet of your room, so you can enjoy the warm and cozy environment in your mid-sized room properly. Looking for the best oil-filled heater for your house? Then meet the DeLonghi Oil-Filled Radiator Space Heater, which comes with a stylish look while keeping you warm and toasty throughout the whole night. With 1500 watt of output, it provides you sufficient heat and a quiet operation experience while covering up to 200 square feet of your room. It has patented Smart Snap pre-assembled wheels that will let you easily move from one room to another, meaning you can drag this heater whenever you need it without facing any hassle. This heater features comfort temperature technology that maintains the optimal temperature and power settings in order to cut your electricity cost. With an adjustable thermostat and multiple heat settings, this heater will ensure you the highest safety while providing you with an amazing temperature control facility. So enjoy the most flexible and versatile heater that will support you in the utmost winter nights. Meet the Honeywell, a two-position fan heater which comes with multiple setting and ergonomic design that allows for various placement options while creating a comforting environment. Featuring 3 multiple settings, it offers up to 1500 watt of output, which gives you sufficient heat for your cold, chilling days. Besides, it has a unique fan-only mode that provides comfort even on moderate days. Equipped with multiple safety features such as overheat protection, cool touch housing, and high-temp plastic, it ensures your maximum safety without a doubt. If you are looking for a versatile and well-designed heater, then this heater won't disappoint you at all. Purify the air and heat your whole room with the 2-in-1 Dyson, a pure hot and cool fan heater that provides you an amazing filtration process and ensures your desired heat in order to enhance your comfort zone to a whole new level. It offers a 360-degree sealed filtration process and a glass HEPA filter that removes gases and particulars so that you will breathe fresh air all the time. Besides, it uses advanced technology that purifies your air while maintaining a comfortable temperature throughout your whole room. It comes with multiple modes, including Auto Mode, backward airflow mode, and nighttime mode, which serves different purposes based on your preferences. Overall, this smart powerful fan will surely keep you cool in the summer and warm in winter. So that was our list of the top 10 best space heaters just for you.